Hello, good evening. This is Brecht from Xscript Games, and today I'm gonna talk about a little bit about my projectile manager, but then also about like personal stuff, like things that are happening soon. I'm going to school soon, so yeah, I'm looking forward to that. But also I'm a bit worried, like I don't want to do too much work before school actually starts now because I don't want to get burnt out. And today or the last days, I didn't really feel that much like doing that much coding and like that much work in general, really. But I'm, I'm, I'm relaxing a little bit, doing some work, but not too much, and just like doing a bit of a mini break before next week everything starts and I will have to go like full 100% again. So yeah, just taking things a bit slow right now. But I did do some work today. I tried implementing a projectile manager. It kind of worked, but there are some bugs. So now the projectile, it was a problem because of the photon views and everything worked at first, but it was really slow. So then I did the manual instantiate without synchronization, and that worked out a lot for speed reasons. But that one requires a lot of careful management on my part. Because it was like, it's kind of like a weird implementation. If you know how Photon works, you're probably familiar with it then. But I actually tried doing a projectile manager that manages, you can spawn a projectile from any location, from any script, fairly easily now. But I still have to squash some bugs because there's some photon views getting called when they shouldn't, and also there's a little bit of twitch in my turret shots for some reason. I don't really understand why, but I guess we'll find out sooner or later. Yeah, it wasn't so easy to do that because I spent a lot of time thinking how to the thing is, you want each projectile to have a unique projectile ID, but that isn't so simple with the way synchronization works, because you can't just increment something, because another client might also be firing at the same time, and then messages might arrive at different times, and then your entire identification system is fucked up. So I had to implement another system where, okay, I did use projectile ID, but I did this on a per client basis. So every projectile is identified by the actor number, or basically the client itself. And then also the projectile ID that is unique to the client number. So using these two, we can look up any projectile in our game, because we have a projectile manager that is taking care of all this stuff now. So yeah, but that's basically what I coded today. And for school, which is starting next week, I'm doing digital arts and entertainment, but not much is known yet about it because due to the corona, I think everything is slowed down and I don't really have that much information. Luckily there's some Discord where I can ask a bit of advice, but still it's not the same. I am looking forward to it. I hope I am gonna learn some cool new tricks with Unity. I hope I'm gonna learn about business and about having the fundamental art skills or understanding of how everything works together, so I can make my own games or become more of a like manager leading position in that industry if possible. So that will be cool, I hope. But yeah, we'll see. I really hope there will be something about networking also, because networking is really hard to figure out by yourself. It's a lot of trial and error. Like, not everything is written in the books. You really have to like dive in there and try stuff out, and you don't really know on beforehand is it gonna work or not. Like, it's a bit annoying. It's rewarding when it works, but it's a bit annoying as well, the workflow, because it just doesn't really feel that productive to me. I wish there was some book or some guy out there who could like teach me about it, but reality, it doesn't turn out it's so simple. But yeah, I'm just chilling a bit for now and looking forward to my studies next week. We'll see what happens. But I'll keep this video short. This was Xcrim Games. I'm logging out. Like the video if you like the video. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and want to get notified. This will really help me out. And thank you for watching. Have a good night.